Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use some of the features in the Walt Disney World app. So if you go to the button between the home button and the plus sign, this first screen will show you all the wait time. So as you can see, you can click on all the different attractions and we'll show you the standby wait time, as well as it can give you directions there. If you see this little star, that means that it's temporarily closed. As you can see, that this is available for all of the parks on Walt Disney World property. So you can see Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Animal Kingdom, and you can kind of scroll in like I did it for Magic Kingdom as well. If you click on the top, the next thing you could see is all the attractions. So this is going to show you the attractions that might not necessarily have a wait time. So Country Bear Jamboree is one that usually doesn't have a wait time because it's a show. The next one is going to be characters, so you can click on this and see where you can meet what characters. So you can see Santa Claus, Mickey Mouse, and you can kind of do that for all of the characters. Next up, you can see all the dining that's available in that park. So if you scroll in, you can see what the dining is, and you can click get directions and it will show you how to get there. And if you see the sign that I'm about to click on, that means that it is mobile order friendly, so you can order your food before you even get there. Next up, you can see all the entertainment. So as you can see, you can kind of just click around and see at different locations what entertainment is being offered for that day. And if you click on the entertainment, it will actually tell you what times it will be there. Next up, you can see the restroom. So if you need to use a restroom, this will show you where the closest one is. Next up, you can see all the events and tours for the day. So again, you can kind of just play around and you can click on the buttons to see what is available at each location. Next up, you can see the photo pass. So if you bought a photo pass, this will show you where all of those photographers will be so you can locate them.